Hello, my name is Kristina Costello. I am a project manager for IFI Professionals, which means that I implement the Sage Intacct software. I have been with IFI Professionals just shy of 5 years now, and I have been a Sage Intacct user for over 7 years. As part of implementing the Sage Intacct product, we have the option to configure and implement basic applications such as accounts payable and accounts receivable. When I say basic, I mean we can set up simple flows that mirror products like QuickBooks, Xero, and other accounting softwares. These simple flows are used to book a sale or a purchase and require the user to select a general ledger account on each transaction. The drawback, though, with the simple flows is that you sometimes have inconsistency on the GL accounts that are selected on the transaction. In addition to this, sometimes we have clients who come to us and say, I need a solution for revenue recognition. I have project billing. Or simply, I need to track my sales bookings and billings for forecasting and analysis. And that's where we at IFI can offer or provide a more sophisticated, complex design to provide a workflow solution to meet the operational and financial requirements of their business. With the use of Sage Intacct, we can configure order entry, which works well with the accounts receivable application. Order entry allows us to create what Intacct calls transaction definitions. These transaction definitions do just as the name suggests, which help us define how the transaction should act or behave when it is used. We can use transaction definitions to define which operational or financial GL accounts we want to post to. And we can add as many transaction definitions as we need in order to build a workflow. IFI has used the Sage Intacct software to test and validate these workflow designs, and over time, we have perfected them. We can then leverage this information to provide operational and financial reporting. What does this mean? Let me show you an example of a dashboard. In this dashboard that you can see, we have built this out for our client where we can track what is our invoice backlog, meaning what do we still have left to invoice. The second thing we can track is the revenue backlog, which is what is deferred and still needs to be recognized over time. In addition, we can track deferred revenue, the balance, and we can track all this information by the various dimensions, which are things like your customer, your project, or even a location. If you are someone who finds yourself constantly having to clean up bad GL coding, or if you need better visibility to your sales bookings and billings, give us an opportunity to show you what we can do for you. Our team of dynamic and diversified professionals are here to offer you our standard flows or help you create a unique workflow that will meet your business needs. Thank you.